engineering team sent you a PG2 graphics file from their CAD system? This is a 2D drawing format used by PTC's professional CAD software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Creo Elements Pro graphics files. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one PG2, file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. A PG2 file is a graphics data file associated with PTC Creo, formerly known as ProWash Engineer, a leading 3D CAD software. Users encounter this file as a component of a larger assembly or drawing. Its purpose is to store graphical representation data, helping to speed up the loading of complex models. The PG2 format is a proprietary binary file designed for performance. It stores tessellated, triangulated geometry, and other graphical data derived from the precise BREP model. This separation allows the CAD application to quickly display a visual representation without needing to process the complex underlying mathematical definitions. The fundamental software link for PG2 Files is built around PTC Creo by PTC Inc. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows can't display engineering-grade details, so serious inspection must occur in CAD software. Let's find the specific program that reads the file signature. Right-click the PG2 file and hit Open With. Test PTC Creo if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If you still can't open the PG2 file, it's okay. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, opening in Creo Parametric. Install PTC Creo Parametric, the current version of Creo Elements Pro from PTC. Launch Creo and use File, then open to load the PG2 file. Creo displays the drawing graphics in the drawing environment where you can view, print, and export the drawing. Modifications require the source 3D model and drawing files. Next, using Creo View. Download Creo View, a free viewer from PTC for opening Creo files, including PG2 graphics. Creo View displays drawings with full pan zoom and measurement capabilities without requiring the full Creo license. This is ideal for stakeholders who need to review engineering drawings without performing CAD modifications. Finally, converting to PDF. Open the PG2 file in Creo Parametric or Creo View and use the print or export function to save as PDF format. PDF drawings are universally accessible and preserve drawing accuracy for distribution to manufacturers, vendors, and team members without CAD software access while maintaining the original drawing layout and dimensions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.